Hi, hello, namaskara. Welcome back, my YouTube fellow friends, for one more unboxing video. This is Anjan. Let's get started. Today, I have one more unboxing video for you guys. This product is by Samurai. It's a rubber skirt for universal car. It is compatible with all the cars. Let's not waste the time. Let us unbox and install it on my Maruti Suzuki IGNIS, and let's see how it looks on the car. So this is how the box is. There's a branding Samurai, rubber skirt, and we have a QR code. And in this side we have DIY, easy to install, guard protection, rubber skirt, EPDM, rubber 100%. So another branding. So nothing much. If you open this, so we have a pamphlet. Okay. So some Chinese language, I guess, some other language, and they're showing how to apply. We don't need this. So we have Samurai sticker, very nice. So we have alcohol wipes to clean the surface. We have few screws to fix the rubber skirt. Wow, this looks really good. The quality looks really amazing. Okay, let's go to the garage and let us fix this onto my IGNIS car, and we'll see how it looks on it. I think it looks dope. So that is how I have installed it on my IGNIS car, and I have took a spin and I have ridden like 300-600 kilometers totally. I have been for a trip, so that will be posted very soon on my channel. I think in this 600 kilometers nothing has happened to it. It is very strong, it is very sturdy and very good quality. I think you guys can go for it. I will leave the link for this product in the description. Do check it out. If you want to buy, just go buy it. It's just around like 400 rupees. So I think you guys can take two and you can overlap it to make it big, because it's very small. If you make it 2 layers of it, it looks very dope. So investing 800 rupees on a rubber skirt, I think it's totally worth. Okay, so yeah, I think it's really good product. You guys can go for it. So thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, don't forget to hit that like button and be my family by pressing that red subscribe button, and we're gonna catch up with another video. Till then, bye bye and have a great day.